Where are you going? Quick second gear pull to 40. Got the wheel back. It's got the patch here and right here. So it was actually 2 that was making it leak. Should be good to go. I need to put it on the car, but it's a tight fit. I didn't think this one through. Alright guys, it's the next day. I want to film a cold start. Yeah. I think it's been about 3 weeks.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Dang. It needs out.
So cold start doesn't do much. I'm getting the R8 pulled in for a wash. It really needs it. It's just been sitting for about a month. All right guys, car's all clean. Thank you, Jeremy.
I got my half and half shirt on the
It matches this side. And of course, now we're late, so we gotta hurry over there. Up to speed a lot quicker than the smart car.
Nate's ripping today.
It's been so long. There's a cop up there. There we go.
Oh, just a nice little kiss.
I'm still getting used to the rear wheel drive.
It gets out so easy though.
Just pulled out and is going up. I think I just saw him pull over to here and he got out. Yeah.
Yeah, because he was pulled over.
Oh yeah, see there's marked on ways.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there he is. That was such a close call.
I know. Cops.
Oh, there's a construction or something.
Could you imagine getting towed by that thing? That's Dude, that is such a beautiful sound. Like, hearing that revved out like that.
Oh yeah, I wish it was me. That's how you burn a clutch.
Burn tires, not clutch.
Got both our bumper deletes here, both Kyler and I's.
I bet that GT. Yeah, James and the Mercy. Dang, those sound crazy.
It's the main street.
Oh, there's a little pop. Dude, you got the slides down pretty good. Oh, dang, that thing is sexy. Those look so good.
That'd be a good photo shoot.
Tunnel run. It's so violent. I've been wanting to hear that. No, look at the flame. Oh my god. Did you see the flame?
That's also his first supercar ever. He's owned it for like 4 months. Sounds like there's fireworks down the
Dude, I
canyon.
love that car so much.
Out of nowhere, we got the 640. Go to 640 and give it. Found that the other
B-Rogue knows how to make an exhaust. plane is taking off.
What in the world? Hell, that nice.
Yeah. I just missed it, but I passed 58,000 miles, which means I probably put 35,000 on this car.
That's loud.
Sorry, I didn't give you a heads up, and I just saw your reaction.
No, I got my ear plugged in time, so we're gold,
I
but
just broke his neck from him trying to turn away. Cool, that was a good drive.
I was into it. Nate sent it today.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. That is going to be the end of this video. I'm almost out of gas in the smart car, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.